Okay, you see this little jigger here. This is the ECU I was talking about off the refrigerator, because my fridge just suddenly stopped operating properly. It would operate, but not properly, and wouldn't hold temperature. So I bought a new one. Simplicity itself to fit. There's one screw goes through this hole here, so you loosen or take that screw out, disconnect the connectors, prise that off sideways, pull this plug with the new one, put the plug back in, put it back on, put the screw back in, and bingo, working fridge. The new one I've got doesn't have this heat sink, so I suppose this is another Chinese cost-cutting measure that they all seem to do. Anyway, my fridge is working, so cold beer is back on the menu. Excellent. So I'm still sitting at Paradise Point at the moment, and just going to wait for that northerly to kick in and head off for Ilukayamba, and we'll see how we go from there. Okay, that's all for now.